Okay, I'm not good at maths, but I know that water balloon plus Nerf bullets equals major wetness. Okay.
I've got 12 bullets,
yeah.
3 loaded, and the rest for ammo. I've got ammo clip filled with 7 bullets. It's only supposed to hold 6. But I'll just...
That sounds funny.
Still got 6 bullets left.
You don't have to say that. Now we get the other one.
If I can't do it with this one, I will. But keep it filming.
Okay.
I still got more ammo.
After these 3, just going to...
I still got another 3 after this. Okay, I've only got 3 left in the ammo clip. Mine's going up.